Hey there! Get ready to transform your Halloween or Christmas experience with the Masquerade LED Face Transforming Mask, the ultimate accessory for any party or festival. This innovative mask is app-controlled, offering up to 45 animations and 70 still images, and even lets you DIY and upload your own photos for a personalized touch. With a motion sensor, you can switch faces just by waving your hand, making it perfect for those who prefer not to use their phone. The mask also syncs with music, displaying a cool volume EQ on its surface, ensuring you're the life of the party whether you're at a rave, nightclub, or carnival. Designed for comfort, it features a silicone pad for the eyes, adjustable straps, and allows you to breathe and see normally, while its rechargeable battery lasts up to 14 hours on a single charge. Made from health-tested materials, this LED mask promises safety and quality, backed by rigorous factory testing and a commitment to customer satisfaction. So, light up your festivities and be the center of attention with the Gootus LED mask. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.